Companies are no longer hiring just Java developers. They are hiring Java developers who know AI. Are you ready for the future? Myself, Rajshekhar from Raj Technologies. We are starting a new full stack Java with AI live online course starting from 25th June at 8 AM IST. In this course, we have divided the content into 8 comprehensive modules from beginner to production ready developer. Module 1, we go with Core Java. Module 2, Artificial Intelligence Tools. Module 3, Web Technologies. Module 4, Database Concepts using MySQL. Module 5, Advanced Java. Module 6, Frameworks. Module 7, Real-Time and DevOps Tools. Module 8, Full Stack Java Project. Module 1, Core Java. In this Module 1, we are going to learn about Java fundamentals and JVM architecture. We go with the Java basics like the meaning of variables, data types, operators, control statements like if, switch, while loop, do while loop, for loop. We discuss about arrays. Then we go with object-oriented programming, exception handling and multi-threading, collections, generics, and stream API. Java 8-9 features like lambda expressions, for each method, collection factory method of functional interfaces. These all things we are going to discuss under Module 1. Module 2, Artificial Intelligence Tools. In this we will be learning about foundations of AI and large language models, prompt engineering techniques, and we go with the tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, Notebook LM and Perplexity AI, and how we are going to use AI for coding, debugging and code review. Module 3, Web Technologies. Here we will be learning about HTML, CSS, Bootstrap for responsive design, JavaScript and TypeScript, React, Angular, JSON XML and REST fundamentals. Module 4, Database Concepts using MySQL. Here we will be learning how to do MySQL setup, how to work with the commands like DDL commands, DML, DQL and TCL commands, SQL joins, constraints and database design, and even we are going to connect to this MySQL database from our Java applications. Module 5, Advanced Java. Here we will be learning about JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. We learn about Java EE introduction and the components of Java EE like servlets, JSP, and we will be building a login application end to end. Module 6, Frameworks. Here we will be learning about the important framework like Hibernate framework. We will understand the architecture of Hibernate and how to do the card operations using Hibernate. We even start with Spring framework, where we understand about dependency injection and inversion of control. We go with Spring Boot module, where we discuss about Spring Data JPA module, Spring JDBC module, Spring MVC module, how to develop REST APIs using Spring Boot, and how to secure our Spring Boot applications using Spring Security. And the very important part of this course, Spring AI. Here we are going to learn generative AI integration. Finally, we go with microservices using Spring Boot with Netflix Eureka and API Gateway. Module 7, we discuss some of the very important real-time and DevOps tools like Maven, it's for build automation and adding the dependencies, GitHub for version control and collaboration, Docker for containerization and deployment, JUnit for unit testing, Postman for testing our REST APIs, Log4j for logging for our application, Lombok to reduce the code to avoid adding setters, getters, constructors simply by using annotations. Module 8, Full Stack Java project. Here we are going to design a complex full stack architecture. We developed this full stack project using Spring Boot and microservices as backend, React or Angular as frontend, AI powered features integration, deploy and present as portfolio project. Why you need to choose this course from Raj Technologies? It's live online classes. You are going to have real-time interaction with instructor, and you can ask questions and you can get the answers instantly. AI tools integrated like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Gemini, Spring AI built into the curriculum. Lifetime access to our recordings. If you miss any class, the recordings will be shared to you and you can even watch it later. Lifetime access to our source codes, real world project, and industry tools like Docker, GitHub, Postman, Maven, join it. This full stack Java with AA batch, we are starting from 25th June at 8 AM IST. The classes will be from Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. Get in touch to our WhatsApp number 93904-73579 or email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com, or you can visit our website www.rajtechnologies.co. Build smarter, code faster, create the future with AI.